Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I got for you guys today is The Box by Fashionista. This is the November box. And the theme for this box is 20s Soiree. I'm guessing that's how you pronounce that. It says, we present to you our special celebration of the glitz and glamour of the 1920s with our October box. Oh, this is the October. Sorry, guys. Filled with a curation of makeup and skincare to keep you in your skin glam and dance party ready. We hope you enjoy this month's products and remember you are truly beautiful inside out. Love that. And you guys already know that Fashionista, where does it say it? I don't know. All right, guys, so first product in here is from Georgette Klinger, and this is the charcoal drying lotion, and this retails for $19. That's what it looks like. This is weird. I've never seen something like this before. So it says, apply this treatment at the first sign of trouble and you'll wake up to a calm complexion that looks good as new and ready to hit the town. Supports clear, calmer skin, unblocks and purifies pores, draws out excess oil, relieves redness, puffiness, swelling, and irritation. And this was made in the USA. It says cruelty-free, paraben-free, dye-free, and fragrance-free. Quiet! I'm definitely excited to try this. Like if I ever get like a pimple and then I sometimes get redness here and stuff like that, I definitely want to see if this works. This is interesting. Never have seen that before. Next thing in here is from Skin & Co. And I believe I've gotten something from them before. I just don't remember what it was, but I don't think it was this actual product. It says this is the Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. And this retails for $28. So it says it's ideal for all skin types. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream is an essential step in the cleansing routine for removing makeup, dirt, and impurities accumulated throughout the day for hydrated and radiant skin. Cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and GMO-free. Interesting. Definitely want to try that. Next thing in here, it seems like it's a mask. This is from Lapkos. And this is the Charcoal Pore Care Sheet Mask. And this retails for $3. So I think there's one sheet mask in there. It says it's infused with charcoal powder to purify and brighten skin, draws out impurities, and minimizes the appearance of pores. Detoxifying, tightening, and hydrating. Cruelty-free and paraben-free. So that's good. Next thing in here, this is a cute bottle. This is from ColorProof, and this is the Bio Repair 8 Thickening Blow Dry Spray. Nice. This retails for $32. It says it grips to individual hair fibers to increase density and weightlessly volumize fine thinning hair. Delivers active plant stem cells to restore aging tissue, strengthen and protect against breakage. Leaves hair soft and visibly fuller with color and heat protection up to 450 degrees for all your 1920s inspired hairstyling. Cruelty-free and paraben-free. It says it's a New Beauty Award winner. That's nice. I want to smell this. Ooh, this smells nice. It smells like a salon. This smells like a salon, for real. All right. All right, next thing is from Gerard Cosmetics. And this is a lip plumper. These things I don't like because, as you can tell, I don't need a lip plumper. So it's annoying. All right, so this says, this is what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch or open it or anything like that. I'll probably include this in a giveaway in the future. So it says, pump up the volume with this innovative lip plumper that doubles as a clear lip gloss. And it's $21. And the last item in this box is from Lasplash Cosmetics. And this is a palette. And it's a highlighting palette. So it says Golden Gatsby Old Money. And this retails for $28. Let's see. All right. Has a cute picture there, like a 1920s lady. And then here are your highlighters. It says, bringing all the glitters and shimmers of the 1920s, this lightweight 4-shade refined formula delivers buildable coverage with a metallic luster finish. For a stunning glow, sweep over the high points of your beautiful face. And then it says it's cruelty-free. The colors are Dough, Mazuma, Sugar, and Scratch. They look gorgeous. I kind of want to swatch it, but at the same time I don't, because I might include this in a giveaway too, because I have highlighter palettes. So I have enough. So I might include that in a giveaway. All right, guys, so stay tuned. I'm like planning so many giveaways. I'm hoping that I could do a big holiday one for you guys. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, guys, that's it for my Fashionista box, or the box by Fashionista. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. I forgot to include how much this cost, but I'll like annotate it somewhere because I always forget. And I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.